Hello, in this VBScript tutorial I'm going to tell you what are the data types and variables in VBScript. Now I'm going to open this file in QTP. That QTP is a tool that can be used to execute VBScript programs. So I'm just opening that files in the QTP. Well, it's variables and data types we're going to see. Now in VBScript all variables are like variant by default. That means it doesn't contain any exact data type like C language or C++. For example, if I declare one variable, say a, the data type of that variable is variant. That means that variable can contain any kind of information, unlike C language variables, where if I declare say int a, that means variable a will be storing only integer data type. But here in VBScript that is not the case. So it is taking a while to open this Quick Test Professional because it is a bit heavy. So let us wait until it comes. Now it is open. As you can see, there is only one data type, that is variant, and there are other subtypes in VBScript. So I will just go one by one in that. There is a data type called empty. That means it is having value as 0 or empty. Null means it is invalid data, and then boolean it is true or false. Then is byte, it contains the data integer data from 0 to 255. Then there is integer that contains the value from -32 768 to 32 767. Then currency, then long is actually the integer that has a huge range. Then single contains the floating point numbers, double contains floating point numbers but with higher range. And then there is a date subtype which contains the date information. Then a string subtype that contains the string information, text information, and object contains an object. So these are the sub data types in VBScript, and there are two types of variables in the VBScript, that is scalar and array. Now the scalar variables are used to store only single data at one point of time. For example, if I declare a is equal to 10, that means variable a can contain only one value at one point of time. So but if I declare array like this, dim b of 10, that means the variable b, that is array b, can contain 11 elements at one point of time, starting from 0 to 10. So we can also declare the two-dimensional array like this. And there is another concept of dynamic arrays in VBScript. Now dynamic array is the array where the size of that array is not fixed. That means at runtime I can change the size of the array. For example, here my array is dynamic array. I have not given any size while declaring it, but when you want to use that array, you have to use the redeem statement and then give the size inside the brackets, like 25. Now this array will contain 26 elements starting from 0 to 25. Now when you increase the size, if as I said, the dynamic array can be resized at any point of time. So if you increase the size of this array, say if you make it 30, so the earlier elements data is erased. To prevent that, you can use the preserve keyword. So preserve keyword will store preserve all the values of the elements from 0 to 25 while resizing this array. So this is all about variables and data types in VBScript. If you want to learn more examples and programs of VBScript, you can visit my blog, that is vbscriptinterviewquestions.blogspot.in. Thanks. If you like this video, just thumbs up it, or you can put your comments. Thank you.